look over here, look over here, look over here. I want you to go ahead and follow a few simple instructions for me, okay? Okay. So look at this finger. Tell me, what is that finger pointing at? Okay, okay. Now, what do you think that is? Tell me. Go ahead. Give it your best shot. It's actually an internet connectivity thingy. I have no clue what you call it. They randomly came in and installed it, so that's what that is. Okay, tell me what this is. A door? Well, if that's a door, then what's that? Another door. Why do I have two doors? Because I took the one off my closet. Let's not ask too many questions, okay? Anyhow, I want you to go ahead and close your left eye, okay? Okay? Close your left eye. And I want you to tell me how many fingers am I holding up right now? Okay? 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 How about now? How about now? How about now? And now? Okay, great job, great job, great job, great job, great job. Now I want you to go ahead and cover your right eye for me, okay? Now I want you to tell me, how many fingers am I holding up? How many fingers am I holding up? How about now? And now? And now? And now? Now? One more. Okay, perfect, 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 perfect. Now, I want you to imagine that your nose is a button. If you agree with my statement, I want you to press that button to align with it. Now, if you disagree with my statement, I want you to swipe your nose instead. Okay? You want to drive a fast car. Now you're going to press your nose or swipe your nose. Okay? You would rather walk in a park or walk in a forest preserve. I want you to tap your nose to walk in a park and swipe your nose to walk in a forest. Now, do you agree that chicken is better than steak? If you agree, tap your nose. If you disagree, swipe your nose. Now, let's get to the ones where you're really going to align, because those are just some ones that just came up in my head and I just had to get them out of my system. Let's see how well you align. Again, like before, if you align, you tap your nose. If you don't, you swipe. That was a little tough. Okay. You want to be a star. You want a very large wardrobe. You enjoy the height that you currently are. You've already met your weight goals. You enjoy having weird dreams. I noticed that your eyebrows are a little scraggly. So what we're going to do is we're going to straighten them out, alright? I want you to straighten yours and I'm going to straighten mine, alright? So what we're going to do is I want you to take your hand and I want you to just push up, 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 up. Okay? I want you to do the other eyebrow. I want you to push up, 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 up. Now that you've pushed up, I want you to swipe, 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 swipe. Okay? Perfect. Now that we've swiped our eyebrows, I see you have a little crusty eyes. I just want you to just go ahead and just dig right in there. Just dig right in there. You can do it. Do it yourself. I don't want to touch that. It feels a little nasty. Just go ahead and scrape that out. Scrape, scrape, scrape. And just scrape that out. Scrape, 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 scrape. Did you take a nap today? That may have been why. You just had a little crust. It's alright. We all get it sometimes. We're all human. I mean, honestly, even dogs get it. Cats too. So it's fine. No judgment here. Okay. Now, I did notice that your ears have a little gunk in them. So, I actually just want you to go ahead and just turn your head that way, okay? Just turn your head. Just turn your head that way, okay? Perfect. Now that you've turned your head, I want you to go ahead and take a deep breath for me. And breathe out. Okay, take a deep breath and breathe out. Get that gunk out of your ears. Now, I want you to go ahead and turn the other way and just turn your head, just turn your head, just a little bit. There we go. We're gonna get the rest out. Because have you ever smelled the back of your earrings after a long day? Kind of stinks, doesn't it? It stinks because you're not using these. I just want you to breathe in and breathe out. There we go. I'm going to do it again. Breathe in and breathe out. You smell it now. Oh, stinky. I know. I'll save that for later. Little snack. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is, I want you, just open your mouth real quick for me. Just open your mouth really quickly. Don't even think about it. Why am I using the battery? Well, I used to do this thing when I was younger where I would take the batteries. Usually it was the bigger, like rectangular ones. I would take those and I would put them on my tongue and it would feel like a little zinger. So I just wanted to see if you would experience that with this one. So just go ahead, open your mouth. Come on, stick your tongue out. Zip, 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 zip. Hurts a little bit? No, you're fine. Just wipe it out. Just gets rid of that sensation, doesn't it? Cool. Now you're ready for more. Come on, open your mouth. Zip, 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 zip. Come on. You ready for more? You kind of like it, don't you? I know. Sip, 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 sip. Perfect. I think I'm getting a little filling in my mouth. I didn't even do it. It's like it was passed on to me or something. Oh my gosh. Perfect. Now, I know you were feeling a little down, so I did want to turn that frown upside down. So I want you to just kind of keep your mouth straight, just like this, just like that. Just a nice little, like you kind of don't want to be bothered. Cool. We're just gonna turn that frown upside down, okay? Turn that frown upside down. I want you to take your eyes and just kind of squint them a little bit like this. Okay? And we're going to add a little extra eyelash for you to give it that really dramatic, smiling look. A little extra on that side as well. Perfect. Now, how many times do I click this pen? How many was that? Too fast? Okay. How many this time? Did you get it? No. I am going to speed it up. Let's see if you can get it. How many was that? How many times do I double click it, not just normal click? Did you get it? I didn't. I didn't get it at all, so if you did, let me know. Now, I want you to just tell me what word I am drawing. It may be backwards, so I'm going to try to write it slowly, okay? So, tell me what word am I drawing? And I am doubling the letters just so that it seems a little bolder. It makes sense in my head. And what word was that? Right? ASMR, ASMR. Now tell me, what am I writing? Right. Tingles, tingles. There we go. Now tell me, which word is this? Did you get it? It's just like me. Weird. Yes, perfect. We're all a little weird here. Did you get that one? It was Alice. Alice, yes, like Alice in Wonderland. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to give you one more word. Now this is going to be a very, very long one. And I want to see if you can do it because I really believe in you. Can I spell it though? Let's see. See. Did you get it? Did you really? Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I like to believe that I spelled it correctly, but I could have missed a few letters, so maybe that was my mistake. But if you did get it, you are so cool, because I probably wouldn't have. That is honestly one of the hardest following videos, like one of like the little following games, like follow the instructions, what am I doing type of things. Figuring out what they're spelling is so stressful to me, so if you got that one, hats off. I would take my wig off, but that's pushing it. Hats off to you. Now, let's go ahead and go to sleep now. And I want you to go to sleep for as long as you possibly can without being late for the rest of your day. Okay? Let's see if you can do that.